Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial for Blender. My name is Wendy. I'll be using Blender 4.02. I created this simple little character in Blender for beginners. I'll leave a link in the description below. After it was finished, I received a request to animate it. So I prepared the character for Mixamo and selected a walking animation. After downloading my character and animation, I had to tweak all the weight painting in Blender, and it was quite a challenge. So if you'd like to follow along with this video and extend the Mixamo walk animation in Blender, then you can pause the video and go to Mixamo website. I'll leave a link in the description below. Mixamo's 3D animated characters are textured and rigged and are ready for use for games, films and more. All you need to do is sign up for free. Then log in, go and choose the character you want. Then go over to the Animation tab. Type in the search box walk and scroll down, and I'm using male happy walk. You can play the animation, then hit the download button, keep all the default settings, then come back to Blender. Okay, so let's carry on. When you're finished downloading, go to the file menu and select import FBX file. Navigate to where the file was saved on your computer and you should be good to go. I'm going to move the character over. So with the character and the bones selected, I'll hit G and X to move it along the X-axis. This character comes with materials. However, we'll have to switch to the material preview to see them. We can switch to the material preview, or we can actually stay in solid mode. To do this, come into the shading menu and we'll switch to Map Cap. Then in Color, switch to Texture. Also, I'm going to turn off the outline. Okay, everything's set up now in Blender. Select the bone to activate the animation in the timeline and press the play button. My character was rigged and animated in Mixamo with the same animation as this character, and I want both the characters to walk continuously to the end of the video's duration. Let's pull up the timeline and have a look at the animation. Make sure the bone is selected so we can see the keyframes. I'll stop the animation and go back to the beginning. First, click on the Editor Type button and we'll switch to the Graph Editor, or just press Ctrl Tab. Now we can zoom out. To do this, I'll roll the middle mouse wheel backwards. Make sure you have the cursor inside the editor and press Shift E, and from the Set F Curve menu, select Make Cyclic. And this will make the animation continuous. Now we're going to repeat this operation one more time. So hit Shift E, and this time from the menu, select Linear Extrapolation. Just one more step. Come over to the Armature Data. Here we will find the names for all the bones. Now we're looking for the Mixamo Rig Hips. Click on this symbol to expand the folder. Once the folder is open, you'll see there is location, rotation and scale for the hips. Select the Z location. Then on the right hand side of the title, click on the small wrench-shaped icon. I'll select the bone of my character now, and I'll quickly repeat this process so we can test them both. I'll fast forward this part of the video. Let's switch back to the timeline. I'll hit Ctrl Tab to do this. If you want to adjust the length of the frames, you can. Just double click here and change the number of frames. I'll leave mine for 250. Now hit the spacebar or press the play button and you're good to go. And this brings us to an end of this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and I'll catch you in the next one. Enjoy!